Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign page layout to record type in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to go to your object manager so we can change the page layout of a certain object. So for that, we will need to go to the setup menu and click on the setup. And after that, we need just to search for the object manager, and from there you will need to choose any object that you want. So I'm going, for example, to choose account, and from here we will find the page layout. By clicking on page layout, we will need just to change the assignments. As you can see, the page layout assignments, and from there we will need just to edit the assignments. By clicking on the edit assignments, we will need to use the table to specify the page layout for each profile. So for example, here you will need just to select, for example, account uh, layout, and then you will need just to start changing whatever you like. So for example, we can choose this one and you can give it changes, etc., etc. And basically you will need to have many page layouts so you can choose from. And after that, you will need just and when you change all the page layouts for these records or profiles, you will need just to click on Saves. And basically, as you can see, you can find all these account layouts. From the page layout, you will be able to create many layouts. So as we can see, we already have this layout here and we can edit it. And from there, we can also edit our page layout by choosing whatever we like from here. So simply, this is how you can change or assign page layout to record type in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.